Hi guys, this is Subhash here, a Biker Baba Vlogs, and you guys are most welcome into my YouTube channel. I'm a Goan YouTuber. So today's video is based on my X-Pulse 200 Hero bike, which I'm using. It's a 1 year complete for this bike. So I'll give you a small review of this bike. So how did this bike did till 1 year, how this bike performs. So I'll tell you about this, guys. So if you like this video, guys, please do subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos. Okay then, guys, this is my bike, and this is the same place where I shoot my videos, next to my house. Even the first video of Apache I have made at this place. And this is my town, and there's that side is my house there. So I'll show you the bike now. So this is my bike, guys. I'll show you the odometer first. After 1 year, it has completed 9,279 kilometers something for 1 year. So now I'll tell you about the bike. This bike is good. It gives me around 40 kilometers per liter, the average. I have modified this seat cover, and that guy used some kind of cheap material here. The resin of this seat is coming out. I will replace this very soon. So about the bike is very good, in good condition. It's running of 9,280 something till now. Because I have other bike also, that bike is already completed 7,500 something. So if I don't have that bike, I would use this bike, and it will be completed around 15,000 more. So I am using both bikes. So you can check my tires here. Tires are good. Same. And I'll tell you what, since now couple of days the chain start making some noise here because of running. They start making noise. Once I had a problem with this bike, because I kept this bike in my house after coming from Tamil Nadu. Then it had a problem with the starting problem because of some issue of loosen some kind of wire inside under the seat. They told me I have only one problem with that. Anything other problem I didn't had on this bike. So I have a total 4 extra lights here, and I added this grill here. I made by myself. So it's a completely good bike. Even you can see this tire also. This is still good enough after 9,000 also. And I'll tell you what here. Some boys had issue of this color is coming out from here somewhere. But in my engine, it's nothing like that. Not even leakage or something, anything. So nothing. I had a little bit rusting issue at this horn only. और यहाँ पे भी है थोड़ा. यहाँ पे this only few things, but major nothing big problem. But that other bike is having lot of rusting issue because of small bike maybe, and nothing more problem. I want to tell you about the chain wheels, because it's after 10,000 they start making noise or something. Then after around 15,000 15 to 12,000 we have to change the chain set. I'm not giving much throttle or suddenly like that. That's why it's good. So it's making little bit noise there. So this bike gives me on one tank I can reach to 460 at a normal range of one tank. Then the gauge comes down. One thing I want to tell you, what here they have a little bit issue in this gauge. Some boys don't understand how much is the fuel in the tank. Now it's around 4 to 5 liters fuel inside the tank, but the only one bar is showing here. That's the main problem of this bike. We cannot understand. It suddenly comes up 2 bars, then the 3 bars, then suddenly it drops down. Once you made a full tank, it will show you full tank till 200 to 230 kilometers. Then they start dropping one by one. After 30 kilometers, then suddenly they will come on the 1 bar or 2 bar. Then you don't understand how much petrol you left in the tank. That's the main thing in this bike. Now I can understand properly, because of the noise of the tank. When we shake the bike, then it suddenly makes noise of the fuel there. That's why once you know to use this bike, it's very good machine, and suspension is totally good. I don't have any issue with the suspension or leakage over here, anything. I already checked here, it's nothing. Even the rear suspension is totally, some boys had a problem with they get leaked very fast. That's why. So it's already 1 year 1 day now for this bike. This is BS6 version, 2 valves. Now the company is giving 4 valves engine. That bike is more powerful than this, the pickup power. So even I have added this main stand down there, and even the handlebar riser here, and this makes a good stability of riding on this bike. This I already fixed it before. It can carry only 3 to 5 days luggage in that, and you can buy this in this store's showroom, helmet showroom. You can find it around 2,400 something. Those who are interested in buying this, you can go for it, but now it's a 4 valve engine bike they have, so it's a good bike. Lots of bikes in Goa now, this kind of bikes. Lots of boys are using here for even short ride and long ride also. Okay, I'll show you the disc pads and disc here. So disc is good, nothing has happened, still it's good, and even the pads are good. I don't use much hard braking or something like that. That's a normal braking I do. Let's see front wheel. Okay, even this one is same as rear disc. Even the pads are same. They are not using much. There was one sticker here at this place, but the washing guys, they have put some pressure on that. That's why it's gone. Okay guys, so if you like this bike, you can go for it. And if you like this video, you can subscribe my YouTube channel guys. So I will not take your too much time guys, so I'll end this video from here. So okay then guys, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.